Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
The metabolism boosting, anti-aging chocolate avocado pudding you can make in minutes. Avocados are one of the healthiest foods in the world. Most of us include avocados in salads or smoothies, but they can also be used in a wide range of other methods. For instance, did you know that you can prepare an avocado pudding? Avocados have some plant sterols, like beta-sitosterol, that are found to contain antiestrogenic properties. Furthermore, avocados contain boron, iron, fiber, potassium, B vitamin, vitamin E, calcium, folic acid, sodium, and magnesium. Therefore, they can reduce estrogen absorption and provide anti-aging effects. This makes avocados extremely beneficial for the skin. Moreover, avocados can fight bacteria, boost energy levels, strengthen the immune system, and prevent overexertion of the liver. What's more, avocados are extremely powerful for promoting the weight loss process and speeding up the metabolism. You should start consuming the following dessert and you will be amazed by the results. Besides being delicious, it will provide amazing health and beauty benefits. It is especially suitable for people with sweet tooth. Here's the recipe: chocolate avocado pudding. Ingredients: 1/4 cup cacao powder, 3 large avocados, soft and ripe, 3/6 tablespoons coconut milk, 2 teaspoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons raw honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: take a blender and add all the ingredients in it. Blend until you get a homogeneous mixture. Then, refrigerate for about 30 minutes and the pudding is ready. Chocolate avocado pudding benefits: protection for your eyes, reduction of cholesterol, improved digestion, protection from chronic disease, may aid in stroke prevention, better nutrient absorption, healthy for the heart, lower risk of depression, source of dietary fiber, osteoporosis prevention, benefits in pregnancy.